In Premiere Pro, you generally work by building sequences to match the standards of the media you're going to work with, instead of the intended output. There are many types of video files you can work with in this application, each with their own particular standards for dimensions, frame rate, and pixel aspect ratio. The dimensions of a file specifies its pixel dimensions. In other words, the number of pixels horizontally and vertically that compose an image or video frame. This value is usually written as a pair of numbers separated by an X, where the first number is the horizontal value and the second represents the vertical. For example, 720 by 480, the standard size for NTSC DV video. The word pixel is a conjunction of the words picture and element, and it is the smallest individual component of a digital image. Frame rate specifies the number of individual images that compose each second of video. All video really is a series of still images played very, very rapidly in sequence. The frame rate determines that speed. Different media has different frame rates. American television, which uses the NTSC or now ATSC standard, is 30 frames per second. European television, which uses PAL, PAL, is 25 frames per second. And film is 24. Frame rate is normally displayed as a value followed by the letters FPS for frames per second. Pixel aspect ratio specifies the shape of the pixels that compose an image. Pixels are the smallest individual part of an image or a display device. Televisions, computers, monitors, they all have pixels. Basically, any digital device, anything that shoots light at your eyes, is measured in pixels. But they're not all the same. Computer monitors, for example, tend to have pixels that are square. The NTSC DV video standard had pixels that were rectangular, and many of the current HD standards actually use square pixels the same way computer monitors did.